Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss about class 5th lesson 4 working with styles and objects. Contents of this video: first, style; second, apply or built-in styles; third, word art; fourth, text box; fifth, shape; sixth, clip art; seventh, using drawing tool; 8. Inserting special character; 9. Inserting shadow; and 10. Homework. All these things include in this video. Style. A style is predefined combination of formatting features, font style to the selected text in a document to quickly change its appearance. It means style is a predefined combination of formatting features like bold, italic, underline, already predefined formatting. You can only select a text and apply the styles. Apply a built-in style. To apply a style in your document, follow the steps. First, select the text or paragraph to which you want to apply the style. If the style you want to apply is a paragraph style, you can position the cursor wherever, anywhere in the paragraph. Means, step first, if you want to apply a style in your text or paragraph, then first one you apply a position of your cursor where your paragraph have. Second step, in the styles gallery on the home tab, in the style pane, click the style you want to apply. Means first one, it means first steps you want to apply a style in your text or paragraph. First one you select through the cursor, and step second you click on the home tab and apply style on a particular word or paragraph. So this method is apply a built-in style. Word art. Word art is a text modifying feature in Microsoft Word, a popular word processing program. It includes effects such as shadow, outlines, colors, gradients, and 3D effects that can be added to a word or phrase. Word art can also bend, stretch, skew, or otherwise modify the shape of the text. Means word art is a text modifying feature in Microsoft Word, a popular word processing program. It includes effects such as shadow. Means through the word art you can modify your text, including effect such as shadow, outline, color, and look like a beautiful effect in your given you text in your document. So word art is very important to use in word processing program. Steps to insert word art. It's how to insert word art. Step first, click insert tab, then select word art option. Here look in your figure word art, here word art, and pick up the word art style you want. There are so many types of style here. You want to select anyone according to your requirement. Step 2, place holder text. You text he appears with the text lighted. And second step, you place holder text. When you click any, just like here word art, you click word art this option, and here write any text are highlighted. Third step, enter your own text to replace the placeholder text. Means when you click here this option, then show word art, you replace word art in your word, your text, and after that you click OK, then word art apply in your particular word in your document. So word art is very easy to use. Simply click the insert tab, and after that you click word art option, and there are so many word art styles you see in this figure. And step 2, placeholder text which are highlighted. And step 3, enter your own text to replace the placeholder text, and after that you click OK button, then your word art applied your document. Editing word art. Suppose that you apply word art, then if you want to edit, then you follow these steps. Step 4, select the word art object by clicking on it. Word display at the word art toolbar like this. Second step, click on the edit text tool. Word art display the edit word art text dialog box. Third step, change your text as desired. You change this word and click OK. Your word art object is updated, means changed. So through this method, these steps, you can edit your word art. Text box. A text box is a placeholder where you can enter text. Text box is a placeholder where you can enter text. You can use text box to manipulate text and give graphical effect. Means through the text box you can use text box to manipulate text and give graphical effect. You can move the text box along with its contents anywhere in the documents. Means text box is a placeholder where you enter text, and you can use text box to manipulate text and graphical effect, and you can easy way to move your text any corner of your document. Inserting text box means how to insert text box. Follow some steps. Step first, go to insert tab, then select text box, and then select one of the pre-formatted text box from the list. Here when you click here, show the list of the text box, select draw text box. Step 2, if you select draw text box, click in the document and then drag to draw the text box the size that you want. Means when you click the drag text box and you through the mouse you drag, then your text box increase. And third step, to add text, select inside the box and type paste text. Means third steps, you add your text, otherwise you paste text on a text box. These steps when you apply in your document, then easy way to use text box. Shapes. The shapes is a drawing feature that helps you to draw different shapes like stars, banners, callouts, connectors, etc. There are so many shapes. With the help of these shapes, you can draw attention and provide impact to your message in your document. Hence, shapes is a drawing feature that helps you to draw different shapes like star, triangle, rectangle, square, and these shapes helps you to attract the attention and provide impact in your document. Inserting shapes means how to insert shape in your document. Follow the steps. Step first, select insert tab and locate the illustration group. You know, click the insert tab, here the illustration group. Step 2, click the shapes drop down command. When you click the shapes drop down command, there are so many shapes show here, and according to your requirement you click and use it. Just like third step, select the shapes from the drop down menu. Means you select any shapes in a drop down. There are so many shapes. Step 4, click and drag the mouse until the shape is desired size and release the mouse button. Means when you step 4, you click a particular shape and drag your mouse, then release your mouse, your shape show on your document. Next one is inserting text. Means in before slides we will discuss about text, and after that inserting shapes and after that how to insert text. Inserting text in shape. You can insert text in a particular shape. Follow these steps. Step first, you can also use shapes for inserting the text. Step 2, select a shape of your choice. Step 3, drag the selected shape according to your need. Step 4, now right click the drawing object and select the add text option from the shortcut menu. And fifth, the insertion point appear in the object. Now you can type the text. So here the figure of inserting text in a shape. Means inserting text in a shape, this is very easy method. Select the shape according to your choice, because when you use more than 2 shapes, then you select a shape and drag the selected shape according to your need. Then right click on the drawing object and select the add text option from the shortcut menu, and after that the insertion point appears in the object and you can type it. Clip art. Clip art is a gallery of pre-designed pictures that can be inserted directly into a document. Means clip art is a gallery of pre-designed pictures that can be inserted directly into a document. And how to insert clip art? Step first, place the cursor where you want to insert the clip art. Step 2, select the insert tab. Step 4, third, in illustration group, click the clip art command. Here when you click the insert tab, then you have illustration group and select the clip art option. Step 4, a task pane appear on the right side of the document. In step 5, enter the keyword in search for field and select the suitable option in search, and after that when you click OK, then your clip art inserted in your document. Using drawing tools. Means you through the drawing tools you can draw any object just like MS Paint. But how to use? Follow these steps. Step first, click in your document there you want to create the drawing. Step 2, on the insert tab in the illustration group, click shape. Step 3, when you find the shapes you want to insert, double click to insert automatically or click and drag to draw in your document. Through this you can easy way to draw any pictures in MS Word document. Inserting special characters. Sometimes we need a huge special character in just like mathematics and science. Then when you follow these steps, you can easy way to insert special character in your document. So follow these steps. Step first, place the insertion point where the special character will be inserted. Step 2, from the insert command tab in the symbols group, click symbols, here symbols, and select more symbols. When you click the more symbol options, there are so many symbols shown on your screen. And step 3, select the special character tab. Means according to your requirement you select the special character. Step 4, from the character scroll box select the desired character. When you follow these steps, it is easy way to insert a special character in your document. Next one, the inserting shadow. Sometimes need include shadow in your document. Then you follow these steps and use shadow in your document. Step first, select shape. Then click the format tab. When you select that shape, then format option appear on menu bar and select the format tab and locate the shadow effect group. When you click the shadow effect group, then there are so many options here appear of shadow. Step 2, click the shadow effect drop down command. You click any shadow effect. When you click according to your requirement shadow effect, then shadow effect apply on your document. Hopefully you understand all given things in this video, and after that you have homework. First, what do you understand by style? How will you apply built-in style to text? Question number 2, what is clip art? Question number 3, what are shapes? Question number 4, what is the use of word art features? Question number 5, what is text box? How can you resize a text box? Hopefully you understand your homework. Each and every student write in your copy and learn them. If you face any problem, call me my number 8840156170. Thank you.